What you are looking right now is KDE Wayland recording my desktop using OBS-Studio. Does this be one of the best KDE Wayland distribution of Debian that I can call home? This is MX-23 Linux KDE Release Candidate 3. Based on Debian 12 Bookworm. This was installed on July 26, 2023 Wednesday around 11:30 p.m. in the evening. MX Linux is formerly Memphis Linux, but they shorten it to MX to make it easy for us to find and download. It is one of the best Debian Linux distribution I ever try. This is for people who want to get away from the corporate influences of canonical Ubuntu that keep shoving snap packages in people's throat. And for those who don't want Ubuntu, Fedora and Red Hat being a bully to the open source community. MX Linux is one of the top 10 on Distrowatch. In fact, it is number 1 on the list. It is the best beginner Linux distribution. Now I want to look at their third release candidate. This is the 23 version of MX Linux. Like each and every Linux distribution, I will get to use it for a week before I can call it home or daily driver. I installed all of the application that I ever need on for regular use. One of the easiest way to install applications here in MX. They give you a GUI package installer that making installing packages a breeze. And some of the tools that are only unique to MX Linux. Can't wait for its full release to come out. If MX-23 full release comes out, I will upgrade to that using apt full upgrade. So if you want a distribution of Debian 12 Bookworm that is easy to install, use and based on KDE desktop, then MX Linux is number 1. This will get those beginners that want to switch to Linux a much easier way to switch. It gets you away from Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora and corporate-based Linux distros. I will be updating everybody after a week or two of everyday usage.